Let me ask you something. Have you ever listened to someone speaking English and thought, wow, I wish I could speak like that? The pronunciation sounds natural, the sentences flow smoothly, and everything feels effortless. But when you try to speak, your English sounds slow, broken, or unnatural. If that sounds familiar, I want to share one technique that helped me improve my speaking more than anything else. This technique is called shadowing. And the interesting thing is that many language learners don't know about it, even though it is extremely powerful. Today, I will explain what shadowing is, why it works, and how you can practice it every day. So, what is shadowing? Shadowing is actually very simple. You listen to a sentence and repeat it immediately, almost at the same time as the speaker. You try to copy the speaker's pronunciation, rhythm, speed, tone. In other words, you try to imitate the speaker like a shadow follows a person. That's why it is called shadowing. You don't stop the audio for a long time. You just listen and speak at the same time. At first, it may feel strange or even a little difficult, but that's completely normal. Your brain and your mouth are learning to work together. So, why shadowing works? Shadowing works because it trains multiple skills at the same time. First, it improves pronunciation. When you repeat what a native speaker says, you automatically practice the correct sound. Second, it improves speaking speed. Yeah, many learners speak slowly because they're translating in their head. Shadowing helps you stop translating and start speaking naturally. Third, it improves confidence. When you repeat sentences many times, your mouth becomes more comfortable producing new English sounds. After some practice, speaking becomes less stressful. So, how I practice shadowing? When I first discovered shadowing, I decided to practice it every day, but I kept it simple. I chose one YouTube channel that I liked. Then I followed a very simple process. First, I listened to a short part of the video, then I played it again and tried to repeat the sentences. Sometimes I paused the video for a moment to catch up. Other times, I tried to speak at the same time as the speaker. I didn't worry about understanding every single word. The goal was not perfect understanding. The goal was flow. After a few weeks of doing this regularly, I noticed something interesting. My pronunciation became clearer. My speaking speed improved. And most importantly, I felt more comfortable speaking English. If you want to try shadowing, start with something simple. Choose a short English video with clear pronunciation. Play a small section, maybe 10 or 15 seconds. Listen carefully, then play it again and try to repeat the sentence with the speaker. Don't worry if you cannot follow perfectly at the beginning. Just keep trying. Just keep practicing. Even 5 minutes a day can make a big difference. So, let's see some common mistakes. One common mistake learners make is trying to shadow very difficult content. If the language is too advanced, the practice becomes frustrating. So, choose content that is clear and understandable. Remember, the goal is not to challenge yourself too much. The goal is to build fluency and confidence. Okay? So, learning English does not always require complicated techniques. Sometimes a simple method like shadowing can create amazing progress. The key is consistency. If you practice shadowing a little every day, your pronunciation, fluency, and confidence will improve. And over time, speaking will start to feel more natural. Yeah, I'm saying the truth. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe to the channel, and in the next video, I'll share free resources that help me practice English every day. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to comment, okay? Bye-bye. See you in the next video.